Many people perceive trigonometry merely as a method for solving triangles, but its applications extend far beyond. This essential branch of mathematics plays a crucial role in various fields such as construction, where it helps engineers calculate precise angles and slopes necessary for stable structures. Envision an architect meticulously determining the pitch of a roof. Every angle and degree calculated using trigonometry ensures safety and functionality in the design. Trigonometry isn't just confined to buildings. It finds its way into innovative technologies such as satellite systems, which rely on precise measurements to function effectively. The calculations made by trigonometric functions allow these satellites to determine their position in space, providing crucial data for GPS navigation. Every time you use your GPS for directions, remember that trigonometry is working behind the scenes to guide you accurately. Forensic science notably employs trigonometry in unexpected yet vital ways. When analyzing a crime scene, forensic experts can calculate the angle of bullet impact using trigonometric principles, aiding in investigations. Similarly, they leverage these techniques to interpret blood spatter patterns, reconstruct events in real time, and offer insights that could unveil mysteries. Trigonometry an important role in solving a crime scene. Ultimately, embracing trigonometry fosters critical thinking skills. It encourages individuals to recognize patterns, connect clues, and make educated deductions even when faced with incomplete information. Whether in engineering or criminal analysis, trigonometry equips us with powerful tools to navigate the complexities of our world. So, the next time you encounter triangles, remember, it's not just math. It's about thinking sharp and solving real challenges. This is part of the series, Why Should I Learn This by Simant Tutorials. Check the description for a free downloadable PDF. Subscribe for more short videos that make math meaningful.